It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Alright, gang, so we're back for another video. In this video, I will be breaking down how we got in this trade, how we made 2,000, um, how we made 2,171.59 using Bitcoin this morning. I'll be breaking that down right now. Alright, so gang. Alright, so as you can see right here, gang, in 15, this is where we were in, where we made 1,000 41 and 1,100 and one. We made 1,041 and 1,101 Bitcoin sell. All right, that was yesterday. Okay, this is the 1,101 trade, and this is the 1,041 trade that we made. Okay, so you can see right here, it's going back up. You can see price was in an uptrend before, okay, and it went all the way back. It went all the way back to 50,000. Now it's going back up to 50,000. Okay, it's at 48 right now. Slowly, it's going to see another higher high soon. We should see another higher high after it tests this resistance line right here. See how it's resisting. After it tests the resistance line, we got out of the trade. Okay, we was in that trade. We had got out once it had hit 49. All right, once it got around 49, we got out. Now we're retesting this resistance that it just broke through. It just broke through this resistance right here. So we would draw a line really right across here. So it just broke through this resistance right here. Boom, around like 48, 49, it broke through. Once it broke through, you can see it stopped here too in the past, stop here too before going back up and shooting back up. So it's where it stopped at last time at past. So you can see it was in an uptrend in the past. You can see it stopped here last time in the past, stop here in the past, in the past, in the past. So that's how you can tell what price is going to do. We go off of price action, what price is telling us what to do, and we look at the 4 hour, look at the 15, 5 minute, and we see what price is doing. You look at market structure, see market structures in a higher high, making higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so seeing the same thing over here. It's making higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Making another higher high past 49,500 will be the next key level. So we trade in key levels. So the next key level would be around here, 49,500. It went to 49, almost 300 before going back down to 48,900. It's around like 48,900 right now, testing this last spot I went at, where it stopped at. See, price stopped here before, so price is stopping here right now. Retesting this resistance level right here before breaking through it. It was at here. It was testing this resistance level where it was at 48,500. It tested this resistance level, broke through this resistance level all the way to 49. Okay, because after the next level, after 48,500, would be 49,000. Okay, and then you have 48,000 right here. That's where price went at. I stopped that too at 48. So 48 to 48,500, right here. Now we're at 48, 49,000. So from key level to key level, next key level will be 49,500, and then back up to 50,000. Okay, and we're in an uptrend right now. Okay, so we're going to draw our trend lines. First thing we're going to draw is the trend line to show you how price broke the trend line. Remember, once price breaks the trend line, A to B, okay, boom, A, B, C, okay, boom. Once price breaks this trend line, you get in for buys. We're looking for buys, okay? So we put our stop loss. All right, so we'll put our stop loss below here, somewhere below here, and we're now looking for a 1-to-3, 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. So we will look at our risk reward ratio for a long position, like right here, stop loss like 40 pips down. You want to give it some room. See, if we would have had put our stop loss a little closer, we could have easily got closing out. So put your stop loss here. Take profits right here, the next key level, 49. Okay, next key level is 49 around here. That's a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 reward ratio. Okay, so we're looking for 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s, scraping, still scraping, but 1 to 4s, 1 to 3s, 5s, and higher. Okay, so boom, that's what we're looking for. We got out the trade. Boom, we're out the trade. So we broke the trend line. So it was in the downtrend. Boom. Once we seen this big green more bozal candlesticks, okay, so we can look for entries now. Okay, once we seen these big more bozal candlesticks, we're looking for entries now because we know that this downtrend is now done. It broke the downtrend. Aggressive trader like me would have got in as soon as I started seeing it starting to make a morning this triple candlestick pattern, which is a morning star. Once I started seeing it making this morning star or this more bozal candlestick pattern, I seen this doji right here, this more bozal candlestick pattern. We would have got in. We got in around here, um, around 48. Um, we got in around 48. Hold on, I'm about to tell you exactly where we got in. 48,429. Okay, that's where we got in around basically 48,500. So we got in around that time, right about here. Okay, after we seen this, we look for buys. After we seen this right here, this more bozal candlestick, boom, it broke the trend line. Boom, it was in a downtrend. Okay, lower low, boom, made a lower high, lower low, lower high again. Back to 49, kind of 49, where it kind of stopped at before going back down all the way to 47. Okay, wicking all the way down to 46, then heading back up to 48, uh, all the way up to 48, 400 before closing. All right, so then we're looking for buys. How we would look for buys is we would see a higher high right here, then a lower high, and then another higher high. So we'll look for lower highs. During the lower highs, we're looking for buys. All right. So we're looking for buys right now because it made a lower high. So we're looking at complete structure. We see that it broke the trend line. Boom. Price. We're seeing what price did in the past. It was in an uptrend in the past. Okay. So we're seeing exactly what price did in the past, and we're going off of what price did in the past. Okay. Breaking structure. All right. So in trend lines, breaking up structure. Boom. It broke this structure with this big green Morbozo candlestick. So once we seen that, we waited, we worked, and we wait for entries. All right. So now we scale down. We're at the 15, looking for entry. We could have got in right here. Once it made this lower high, we could have got in right here. Boom. We could have also got in right here. Okay. We made another lower high. All right. Went up, made a higher high, another lower high, higher high, made another lower high. We could have got in off the lower highs, get in off the higher lows. I'm sorry. You get in off the higher lows. It's going to make higher highs and higher lows. You get in off the higher low. Okay. So higher low right here. This is lower lows. And all right, lower high, lower low. All right, that knows you in a downtrend. Uptrend, higher highs, and higher lows. So we could so I want y'all to understand that. Boom, this is where we got in at. We could have got in right here. You could have also got in right here, okay? Could have got in right here. A to B, boom, got in right here. Made another green, more Bozal candlestick going up. Boom, we're in this trade right here. All right, so it's consolidating right here. Wait for it to break. Wait for it to break consolidation. We could put a box around that. Wait for it to break the box. You know, where's it at? You could wait for it to break the box if I can find where the box is at. Right here, put a rectangle right around here because consolidating. Boom. Could all be like consolidations. A lot of wicks. You're seeing wicks, 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 wicks. Remember, when we see a lot of wicks, what does that mean? That means that price doesn't want to go in that area no more. Okay, it doesn't want to go below this area anymore when you see a lot of wicks right here. So we could put a